Hello guys, so today is another day which calls for another adventure. Okay guys, so I'm taking my mommy to brunch today and I am so excited to be spending time with her. We will be going to her favorite brunch place, which is located in Old World Village. It's such a cute, charming village with shops, places to eat, and more. There's just so much to see. I love coming here. It's such a lovely place to walk around, eat, shop, and just relax. So there are so many options. I don't know what I want, but I believe I will be going with this option. And I will be going with this option. Guys, look, that is a cappuccino and this is a lavender latte. So I'm excited to try it. Miren todo lo que nos vamos a comer. Okay guys, so we are done with brunch. It was delicious. It was so good. Totalmente recomendado. Súper delicioso. Lo único es de que sí tuvimos que esperar un tiempecito para que nos atendieran, pero de ahí todo estuvo riquísimo. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. It's raining. I'm just leaving the office right now. And it's raining and I'm so excited because I do love the rain. It's been so hot lately that I knew it was gonna rain, but I wasn't prepared. Hola chicas lindas. So let me tell you, I recently went to the store and I went to the makeup section and I found some lip products. Y quiero compartirlo con ustedes. I do need your help. I feel like I always struggle to find the right lip color and I tend to just stick to what works for me. I will be showing you guys 3 different colors and let me know in the comments which one you like the best. Me comentan, pero sean honestas conmigo. So the product that I will be showing you today is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I think these colors are gorgeous. I love them. We have this kind of light, more towards the nude. We have a bright pink, deep pink, I don't know. And then we have this one, which is perfect for fall. Pero, yeah, let me get into it and let me show you what they look like. And then you can let me know cuál te gusta más. I will be leaving everything in the link below in the description. And this is the first color. I don't think this is a new product. I believe it's been out in the market for a while. I'm guessing. But this is what the first one looks like. ¿Cómo ven? Option number 2. Like I said, I like the formula on my lips. It doesn't feel like it dries them. It goes on very smoothly. And this is this is actually brighter than I thought. What do you guys think? This is option number 2. And lastly, option number 3. I think I'm really going to like this one, especially because fall is just around the corner, or maybe by the time by the time you're watching this, it'll be fall. Next week is fall, so I think this is perfect for this new season, but let's see how it looks. Ta-da! And this is option number 3. I do like a bold lip during the fall, so this is what it looks like. So let me know in the comments below. Uno, dos, o tres. Which one was your favorite? And let me know if you've tried this product before. Es la primera vez que yo intento este producto. Es de la marca NYX o NYX. Did I say NYZ earlier? NYX. Y es el matte lip cream. Se me hicieron súper lindos estos colores, así que déjame saber cuál te gustó más. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Suscríbete. Déjame saber en los comentarios de dónde te conectas. I love hearing from you guys. I love reading you in the comments. So yeah, I will see you hopefully very soon.